If you're looking to get Scrum certified, two names dominate the field: Scrum.org and Scrum Alliance. But how do they differ, and which one is right for you? Let's break it down for you. First up, Scrum.org, founded by Ken Schwaber, one of Scrum's co-creators, focuses on standardization. Their most popular certification, the Professional Scrum Master (PSM) series. Exams are rigorous, with no mandatory training classes. On the other hand, Scrum Alliance, also co-founded by Schwaber, emphasizes hands-on training. Certifications like Certified Scrum Master (CSM) require attending training workshops led by certified Scrum trainers. Another key difference: certification renewal. Scrum.org certifications are lifetime valid, no renewal fees. But Scrum Alliance certifications need renewal every 2 years, often involving additional training or fees. Globally, both certifications are highly respected. Scrum.org leans towards exam rigor, making it ideal for self-learners. Scrum Alliance shines for those who value structured, trainer-led workshops. So, which one's better? If you're confident in self-study, go with Scrum.org. Prefer classroom interaction and mentorship? Scrum Alliance might be your pick. In the end, both paths lead to becoming an effective Scrum Master. Choose what fits your learning style and career goals best. Happy Scrum journey! Like and subscribe for more tech insights in a nutshell.